Okay, moving on to the Euro Yen now. We obviously seen these buy setups in these yen pairs. The thrust bar started trying to go higher, but it's really made very little progress, and we have now removed the sort of bullish thrust bar from last week's low to the close, which is 111.05. I think we've almost tested the support down here of the main sort of TDF thrust bar, which was 109.28. We went as low as 109.38. Yeah, so basically retested that level as well. Um, so I mean, actually, I'll just put that level in there. 109.28. That's currently a support level, so mark it green. Give it a green line. Oops. Okay, yeah, so these are going to be the main two levels going into this week. I mean, if we look at this on the weekly, we're on bar 6, so we're in full swing here since we had the failure of that 121.45 level. And on the monthly, we're only on bar 6 of a buy setup. So again, quite a long way to go, I think, before this market finds support. Um, yeah, so I mean, this could be another chance to get involved here. We've still not made that 106.87 target. We've had a nice removal here of that 111.05 level to the close. So any retest of that level going into this week, anytime this week, even intraday, if we're up above this level, as long as we don't break the high of that candle around the 113.34. So anywhere around this 111.05 level, I would view as a good selling opportunity. Initial target 109.28, and then next target 106.87, depending on how many positions you can get into with the demark. So we could see a temporary bounce here, but if we mark that 111.05 level on the charts up here, 111.05. So yeah, so that looks like a nice spot. I mean, this is going to be a TDF buy setup here on the hourly. So yeah, I mean, reaching up to that bar 5, you can see how it failed that level. It was a previous support. Yeah, so I think a retest to that 111.05 level would be an ideal spot to look to get involved again to the short side, because I mean, we've broken this low here as well, so I think a retest of this 111 level will just be another chance to get involved, because I think by the looks of the price pattern here, we're going to be heading down to take out that 106.87 level going into the next week or so. So yeah, nothing really, no targets sort of areas on the weekly or the monthly here still, which has been hard on this pair recently. But certainly on the daily anyway, we have these levels which are worth looking at. So the 111.05 might be looking to sell any kind of strength to there. In terms of a thrust trade, you would be talking about 250 pips. So it is a high risk, which is why I would use the demark to get involved in that. But that one's looking quite good, um, quite a good bearish looking pattern here on this chart. Okay, cheers.